spend your time for your next life, for your actual life. That is the life we should work towards. We are all busy in working and making money for this temporary life. Who knows who will die what time? I can die right now, this second. You all can die anytime. Only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows what time any person dies. No person can predict when the person will die, you know. So that as soon as you taste death, your examination is over. Then you will see everything with your open eyes, but you cannot do anything. You cannot do anything because the examination is over. The invigilator has taken away the paper. You cannot go back and correct your questions. The time is over. Now it is the happiness forever or it is the sadness forever. Are we in the paradise forever or we are in the hellfire forever? So please kindly reevaluate your position. Think about it. What we are doing. We have all today psychological patients, because we do not connect our soul to the Lord Allah. We do not, because our soul inside our heart is dead, because we have not provided any food towards it. We are just running towards this body that is made of clay and water. We are just serving that. We are putting food in there. We are working towards it. And then we have our sexual desires. So all animal instincts are taking over our whole existence. What about the divine existence, divine presence in our own self, that divine element? The human being, there were three differences, in our lifestyle 300 years ago and today. Before, the God is the one that was important, not universe. Today, the universe is important. Before, God was important, and we used to do everything according to God. Now, today, we do everything what is in the universe. That is our focus. Before, we used to focus on the soul and the food of the soul. Today, we focus on the material things, our human bodies. We on the real. Whatever we see, we don't see the soul, so we don't believe in the soul. We just see the body, so we just work on the body. That's my concern. That we need to look at it. That God, He was there. Our soul was there, and it is there today also. But we don't focus on the soul. We just focus on the body. Then before, our focus was the life after this life. We were worried about that we do good deeds in this world and we will get good rewards in the next world, so we will be happy forever. Today, our focus is not next life. Our focus is only this life. The big dilemma of capitalism is they said, don't talk about death. Why you talk about death? You are so conservative. Not even an atheist today can deny death. We say there's two things that you have to die and you have to pay taxes. But I'm telling you, are we ready for that death? Did we prepare ourselves for that next journey, which is permanent?